Hey guys, William Saunders here, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit more intel on the Sage Arts market laws, okay? So after our other video that we recently just did about the market wizardry and everything from there, I had quite a few individuals who were kind of messaging me and inboxing me and asking all types of questions about our Sage Arts. So I wanted to go a little bit more in depth over this video here, okay? Now, understand this, guys. This is the true holy grail to trading, but it's not the only successful way to trade. And I can tell you that it's not the only profitable system that's actually out there. In fact, I've been seeing what the hedge funds are actually doing. Some smaller hedge funds, mid hedge funds, some very large hedge funds, and basically they have their own systematic process of doing things within their own firm, okay? So either they have this awesome AI that's kind of like built by some quant, or basically they have a really, really amazing money management system, like hands down, okay? So Sage Arts Market Laws is basically the holy grail to trading, but once again, it's not the only system that's actually out there. This is my system that was actually developed through my years of hard efforts and work. So the untold market wizardry, all right? So basically, guys, the Sage Arts market laws is essentially the godfather of price action, okay? It is the goat of trading systems, and it is undeniably the market's language. In fact, I had 12-month challenges that was going on when I had taken in Sage Art students when it came to mentoring. Now understand this, if you guys have not seen about my self-education when it comes to pre-recorded courses versus live actual mentoring, you guys should actually check that out as well. So I have some links down below. But in regards to the 12-month challenges, this was personal, customizable, live settings, okay? And that's why I can state within 12 months, if I had a student come in, I gave them these challenges, okay? And these challenges are pretty much still going on to this day. So I told them if they can prove to me that the market laws are not 100% accurate, guaranteed, or do not work at any given time of the day, of the year, on any given point of the month within a 12-month period, okay? I would reward them $25,000. And the other aspect is if they weren't satisfied with the market laws, okay, for whatever reason, they had a 12-month money back guarantee. And that's how confident I am about the market laws within Sage Arts, okay? So let's talk about them a little bit more. All right, Sage Arts market laws. Here you go, guys. This is what it consists of. The law of settlements, all right? The law of continuations, the law of wicks, the law of fill levels, the law of violations, the law of uptrends, the law of downtrends, the law of manipulations. All right, this is 100% market laws. This is the market language essentially about the market process, the market psychology, everything in regards to the market, okay? Without a doubt, every single law is very, very reliable, and every single law is accurate and been proven over time, over different asset classes, over different trading types. So from binary to forex to futures to penny stocks to cryptocurrencies. Market laws exist in all markets, all right? So this is what the market wizardry is all about. It's all about Sage Arts and the market laws, okay? And as I stated, guys, there's 2 challenges that I do for 12 months, which is a $25,000 reward or a 12-month guarantee. If you can prove to me as a active student that these laws are not 100% existence in the market, that they're not 100% reliable, and that they're not 100% guaranteed, okay? Without a doubt, all right? So as I stated, there's gonna be some links down below in the description, and you guys will be able to get more details on that. And I can say as of now, our Market Wizardry products are actually not out, but when it will be released, we're gonna actually have a pre-recorded masterclass settings, and then we're gonna have live group settings as well. All right, guys, so keep in touch with me. I have quite a few ways that you guys can actually reach me, and you guys can find some of those resources down below. If you guys haven't checked out my introduction yet, then that is actually down below as well. inside the description, okay? So that's my actual text account number, and you guys can get to me if you need any type of immediate response, but make sure it's actually like real serious business. Other than that, guys, if you're enjoying my content, whether that's on YouTube or Instagram, just go ahead and subscribe to those platforms. And I hope that all of this knowledge that I'm seriously putting time in and giving out at no current cost, you guys can find extremely useful, and just keep me always updated with everything. And I enjoy the feedback that you guys actually give me after watching these lessons and videos, okay? So I wish you guys much success, and of course, happy trading.